This is a piece of 32 millimeter square medium carbon steel, 1050, and about 70 millimeters long. I'm just going to have some fun and make myself a different style of hammer. This piece is a bit short, but it'll work for what I have in mind, and it'll make a hammer just under 1.5 pounds. I need to thank two gents for their very generous donations to my channel. They are Larry Fetters and Jerry S. Hodges. Thanks very much, guys. Appreciate it. As you can see, the way my guillotine tool is configured, this chunky monkey won't quite fit. So I'll work it down a bit to make it fit. I obviously need to make a holdfast. I wish I would have formed those shoulders back just a little bit more, but I'll make it work. You guys know I dislike grinding, but I just wanted to take a break from forging to see how much I have to do to remove that recess. I can get rid of that later on via hammering. Drawing thick stock at a steep angle creates quite a recess on the front end, but I'll get rid of that and also the other end a little bit later on. I switch out these butcher dies for more rounded, fuller dies. The back end is good now, and the front end won't need much grinding in order to create a good radius. When hot punching an eye, for the first heat I always take it slow and just make sure that I'm on my marks. I'm making this hammer at the end of what is my usual work day, and I'm all in right now. So I'll probably take one more heat, and then I'll finish out this hammer in another video. It's almost through to the other side. It won't take but 1 or 2 more heats to get it through. I'll finish punching, drifting, and completing this hammer likely in my next video. Catch you guys next time.